Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with clean, dry edges. Use an alcohol swab if there's oil, because product grips better. Next, section the front into 2 or 3 parts and clip each away so you can work methodically. Apply a small dime-sized amount of edge control to your fingertip or a toothbrush. Resist the urge to glob it on. Once done, you'll have a controlled base to shape without weighing hair down or creating flakes. Now you shape the baby hairs. Dip the brush lightly into product and follow the natural growth pattern, working from the root outward. Use short, controlled strokes to create swoops or waves and alternate pressure, light then a bit firmer, to maintain texture. If you need more hold, add product in 1/2 increments rather than a single heavy layer. Make sure to blend any excess into surrounding hair so transitions look seamless and natural. For a long-lasting finish, tie a silk scarf over the edges for 5 to 10 minutes to set the style. This locks the shape and reduces transfer. If you see flaking later, use an oil-free remover or a tiny amount of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab to clean without disturbing roots. If edges feel too stiff or flat, lift them gently with a clean toothbrush and a fine mist of water to reactivate flexibility, then reset with a light touch of product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.